Today's lesson is distributive property, and what we will solve today, questions like this. Use distributive property to find each product. As you can see here with me, 509 times 7 equals 500 plus 9 for 509 times 7, and after that we will use distributive property and find the product. We will do the same in questions 5 to 10. We will do it ourselves. Okay, in question 4 here you can see it's ready. We will complete only, and we will solve questions 5 to 10 the same way. Now guys, open your books, page 108. Again, which page?
108.
Great.
108.
Okay. Okay guys, I want you to focus with the video to understand the main idea of the lesson. Do not use your mics during the video.
How can you use the distributive property to multiply? Let's look at an example. The Rails to Trails Preservation opened a new section of a biking trail. The section is 6 yards wide and 1,842 yards long. Calculate 6 times 1,842. What are the dimensions of the new section of the biking trail? The new section of the biking trail is 6 yards by 1,842 yards. How can you find the area of the new section? To find the area of the new section, multiply 6 times 1,842. A numerical expression contains numbers and at least one operation. Which is an example of a numerical expression? The distributive property says that multiplying a sum by a number is the same as multiplying each number in the sum by that number and adding the products. Use the distributive property to find 6 times 1,842. 6 times 1,842 equals 6 times 1,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 2. Which number in the multiplication sentence is broken apart, and how? 1,842 is broken apart by place value. First, multiply. Then add the products of all 4 parts. So 6 yards times 1,842 yards is 11,052 square yards. Recall that the 6 was multiplied by the sum of 1,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 2. The 6 must be multiplied by 1,840 and then by 2, and the products are added together. The model can help you see this.
Now you know how to use the distributive property to multiply.
Now back to the book, and as you can see here we have 6 times 1,842, and we will break 1,842 and write it in, please do not use your mic, and write it in the expanded form. It will be 2 ones, 4 tens, 800s, and 1000s. Now, how to do the multiplication? We use distributive property. What is the meaning of distributive property? Remember, this is distribute. Distribute means that we give each one from the numbers in the bracket, we give them times 6. So times 6 will be times 1000, and times 6 with 800, and times 6 with 40, and times 6 with 2. And find each one of them and add them. Okay, so where's the distributive property? We use it here in this place. When we distribute this 6 inside the brackets. So we give each one inside the bracket, we give it times 6. Now let's see this question down here. Does 12 minus 4 times 2 equals 12 minus 4 times 12 minus 2? Can you see here with me? Can we use distributive property in this way or not? Is it working or no? To answer yes or no, what we will do, we will calculate the left side, this one, and the right side, this one. Okay? And to do this, I need one of my heroes to help me. So, Abdullah Al-Utaibi. Abdullah?
Hi, teacher.
Yes, Abdullah. I want you to help me to calculate the left side. And guys, look with me. I will do something now. I want you to focus. I will calculate this part. And my answer should be yes or no. I will leave this line. Okay?
Okay.
And start
just
first calculating this. We start from the brackets here. So
Okay.
12 minus. What is 4 times 2?
Yes.
What is 4 times 2?
For my
4 multiply
minus
2.
4 multiply 2.
Yes. What is 2 times 4? You don't know?
8.
Yes.
8.
Now 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus
12.
8?
12 minus 8.
Yes.
4.
Good. Now, thank you, my hero. I will take another hero to help me. Ali Al-Ghafli.
Yes.
Yes, Ali. You can help me with the right side. I will do inside brackets first. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. 12 minus 4.
Equal 8.
And as you can see with me here, this is times. And 12 minus 2 is?
10.
Now, 8 times 10 equals?
80.
Yes. So guys with me here, can you see with me that we have 4 in one side and 80 in the other side? Is these two the same? Is it equal? Yes or no? Ali?
No.
No, of course.
No.
So our solution should be no. And the reason is written here. What is the reason? 4 is not equal. This sign is called not equal. 80. 4 is not equal 80. Okay? Okay, my heroes, write this and thank you, Ali. Write it quickly. Before we move to the next page, I want to tell you that what is the difference? What is different in these two equations? Okay, so focus with me. This part is very important. Here, this is minus. this is minus, and here this is times. So this is the big difference. When it's times, yes, we do distributive. When it's minus, we cannot distribute minus. We only distribute what? We distribute only times. Again, we only distribute times. Multiplication. We distribute multiplication. Do not distribute minus and do not distribute plus. Okay, let's move to the next page. We have here another example. In this one we have 7 times 560. Of course you know that 560 equals 500 plus 60. Okay? Now, when you distribute the times, because it's times, we distribute the times. We distribute the 7. So, distribute the 7. It will be multiplied by 500 and also by 60. So, we will multiply 7 by 500 and multiply 7 by 60. Now, the answer for the first is 3,500, the second 420. We add them to get the final answer, the product. Okay?
Mister,
Please do not use
Mr.
your mic. Wait. Let me finish my explanation. Okay? So, this is distributive property. We distribute times into the added parts. Okay. We can do this another way. We can do 560 as 600 minus 40. So now again it's times. We distribute times. So 7 times the first and 7 times the second. And this time it's minus. So we write here minus. And when you do it, you will find the same answer. Okay? Now, before you ask questions, wait and try to focus with me when I solve this one, the guided practice. Okay? We solve this guided practice, and after that we will, if you have any questions, I will take your questions. Okay? I need you to focus because this is very, very, very important. Show and label the figure to show 4 times 10 plus 3 equals 4 times 10 plus 4 times 3. So we need to show. I will show it to you. Y is 4 times this bracket equal 4 times 10 plus 4 times 3. Why? The reason. I will explain to you the reason, okay? Good. Let's start. As you can see here with me, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. And here we have 10 plus 3, which is 13. So these is 13. The total here is 13. This all is, sorry. This all is 13. And we will break this 13 into 10 plus 3. So I will take 10 till here and 3. So I have 10 in here and 3 in the second one. Okay? So the first one here, this part, I will shade it like this. This part is 10 times 4. Okay? I will write it 4 times 10, okay? 4 times 10. So this is the first part. The second part is this part, which is,
Teacher, I can't see the share.
okay, you can go out and join again. This is 4 times 3. So now we have 4 times 13. We divide it into two parts. The first part is 4 times 10, and the second part is 4 times 3. Okay? I will solve this with one of my heroes, so I will pick one of my heroes to help. Laith? Laith?
Yes.
Okay. Laith, I want you to help me in question number 2. Use distributive
Okay.
property and addition to complete the equation. Here we have 2 times 308. We will break 308 into 300 plus 8. Okay? Now, what do you think we should write in these two spaces? This space and this space.
To divide it.
Oh,
To
can
divide
you
it.
see these arrows? Yes, this is 2 times the first and 2 times the second. So, 2 times what in the first one?
300.
Yes. And in the second one, 2
Two.
times 8. So,
times-
this is the distributive property. What we do in this case, what? We distribute the number multiplied. We distribute it to all numbers in the brackets. So we distribute the 2. We will multiply it by 300 and again multiply it also by 8. Now help me. 2 times 300. 2 times
2
3.
times 300. 600.
Great. And 2 times 8.
2 times 8, 16.
Great.
It will be 616.
Yes, now this is my hero. Great work, Lai. Thank you. Now, guys, you know that we cannot multiply this. This is the first time to see how multiply one digit by 3 digits. But as you can see, it's very easy. We will use this property. It's called distributive property. We will distribute multiplication. In this case, as you can see, it's very easy. We can do it easy. It's very easy. Okay, guys, write the answer. And now we will solve the independent practice down here. You have 10 seconds to finish writing.
I can't say anything.
Yes, you want to ask?
Job.
Mr. I have the first question we answered. I make 4. Then the thing that is means not equal. Then what's the other number I write?
It was 80.
Job.
And now let's move to the independent practice. Okay. Muhammad al-Shaban. Muhammad?
Yeah.
Yes, Muhammad. You will help me in this question. Question number 3. Yes. You tell me
Okay.
what we did. We break down 509. We will write it in the expanded form. 500 plus 9. What is next? What should we distribute?
Multiplication.
Yes, we will distribute the multiplication by 7. So the first one. Oh, sorry. I will do it again. So we distribute the multiplication. It means we will distribute the 7. We will multiply it by 500 and also multiply it by 9. So what should I write in the spaces in here? 500 times what?
500
Yes.
7.
Great. And in the second one?
500.
What we distribute? 7. When you distribute 7, so I will see it 2 times because I have 2 numbers. So this is one of them. The second time I will see it multiplied by 9. So 9 multiplied by 7.
Okay.
Good. Now 500 times 7 is?
500 times 7 is
5 times 7.
Let me think.
5 times 7 first.
7 multiply 5
Yes.
equals 35.
And how many zeros?
2.
Good. And 9 times 7
So
is
the-
63. It's written.
Yeah.
Now add them. 0
Okay.
plus 3.
98.
Wait. Start from the ones. 0 plus 3. And 0 plus 6.
0 plus 3 plus 6 equals 9.
Again, 0 plus 3 is 3. And 0 plus 6
Yeah, 3.
equals
0 plus 6, 6.
6. And 5 plus nothing, so we will write 5. And 3 plus nothing, so we will write 3. Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Muhammad. Great work. And let's pick another hero. Ahmed Sirhid. Ahmed Sirhid. Not here? Yes, Ahmed. Help me with the next one and speak up. Raise your voice.
Okay.
Okay, now this is 47. 47 is 50 minus what?
3.
Now distribute the multiplication. So we will distribute this. So what number will repeat? Of course 2. The 2 will repeat because this is the number multiplied. Yes, 2. 2 times what in the first one?
2 times 47.
No, times the first one in the bracket. Don't go back. We go forward. 2 times the first and 2 times the second. Look at your screen. 2 times first and 2 times second. So 2 times what? The first?
2 times 4.
Good. And 2 times 3. It's written. Now let's move down. 2 times 50 is 100. It's already written. And 2 times 3 equals?
6.
Now subtract 100 minus 6.
949.
You mean 94?
Yeah.
Yes, 94. So the answer for the second one is 94. Okay, thank you, Ahmed. And let's take another hero. Ahmed, mute your mic. There's someone using the mic. Please mute your mic. Abdulaziz Maher.
What, Mr.?
Yes, Abdulaziz, I want you to help me with the next one. Okay? Let's start. This is equal to 7 times, I will open bracket, and you tell me how to break 86.
Let's
Hmm?
put the first one 8.
8 or
No,
80?
wait.
It's tens. So
80
8.
and another one 6.
Great. Now, what we should do? Use distributive property. Oh, wow. Let's do it. What we should distribute? We should
The 80
distribute.
and this.
No. We should distribute the times, the 7. So the 7 should repeat 7 times the first and 7 times the second. So I will have here 2 brackets. 2 times the first, which is 80, and sorry, 7 times the first, which is 80, and 7 times the second, which is 6.
6.
Now continue with me. 7 times 80, 7 times 8.
200.
No. 7 times 8.
7 times 8.
Yes.
Wait, mister.
Okay, quickly, you need to keep the timetable. I told you guys, if you don't keep the timetable, you will get minus. You can't solve any question without the timetable. Yes, Abdulaziz.
Mr. 65. I mean 56. 56.
Yes, and we have 1 0. And 7 times 6.
7 times 6.
Yes?
Wait. This time, multiply.
7 times 6. Quickly, Abdulaziz.
42.
Okay.
42, Master.
Great. And now add these two. Add them. 0 plus 2 is
0 plus 2 is 2.
and 6 plus 4
10.
0 and carry up 1. So this one will be 5 plus 1. So it will be
5 plus 1 is 6.
okay. So the answer to this question, the product, the answer for this multiplication is 602. Okay, thank you, my hero. And now I want to solve this question, number 7. So to do this, I will use I want to, yes, okay, I will do it. Oh, will help me this time. Okay, Ali Al-Qattan. Ali? Ali?
Oh.
This is Ali?
Yes.
Okay, Ali. 9 times what? Break this 504, break it. It will be 500 huh?
540.
Plus what? 40? It's ones, not tens. So it's
Okay,
4,
okay.
not 40, right? Okay, Ali?
Okay.
Okay, I forget here to write times. Okay, now distribute this times 9. This means I will write 9 times the first plus 9 times the second. Okay? And you tell me what I write. 9 times what? The first? Yes, Ali? The first? Ali? Ali?
Okay.
Ali, stop moving your mic.
Okay.
9 times the first. The first is 500. And 9 times the second. The second is
4.
good. Now let's find the answer to this. We will calculate 9 times 500. 9 times 5 equals
9 times 5.
yes.
5.
What? 9 times 5. Do you know?
45. No, this is.
Okay, I will take note on you and please keep the timetable. Okay? Thank you, Ali.
Okay.
And let's move to another hero. Muhammad Mansour.
Here.
Muhammad, what is 9 times 5?
9 times 5. As 36.
No. 9 times 4, 36. And 9 times 5? It's 45. And we have how many zeros?
2.
Good. Now plus the second. 9 times 4, we said that this is 36. Now add these two. 0 plus 6.
6.
And the 0 plus 3.
3.
And 5 plus nothing. We will
5.
drop the 5 and also drop the 4. So the answer 4,536. This is the answer to the main question. 9 times 504. So now we know how to use distributive property
Yeah.
to multiply one digit by a large number. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
And now guys, I will send to you the link